How to remove credit card from Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can remove credit card from Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Roblox application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Now to remove your credit card, you have to tap on the More option at the bottom right corner from the home page. Now once you land on this kind of interface, scroll down a bit and head towards settings, tap on it. Now under settings, you have to tap on payment methods. Under your payment methods, you will see the credit card information. You have to tap on delete or remove option next to your credit card. Once you select to remove the card, confirm the action when prompted. After removing the card, check the payment method section again to ensure that it is no longer listed. So that's how you can simply remove your credit card from Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.